cursed for you but a blessing for me. Initially, you have locked my animals and birds, and now you are locked in your own houses. You wrapped me in the plastic, now you are wrapped in the plastic named PP Kid. You destroyed me by cutting my trees, and now you are struggling for oxygen cylinders. These all happened because of COVID-19, and I think it's a punishment for you. But do you know what is the reason for the rise of COVID-19? Yes, it is overpopulation. COVID-19 has shown you how huge world's population problem is, and evidence that the most cases have came from the places which have higher population density like China, India and USA. And India's Dharavi has shown that managing a pandemic in the overcrowded slum can be a nightmare. This is how severe overpopulation problem is. This never-ending change has caused a major issue of global warming, but in the year 2020, however, the chain was broken down due to the pandemic. The lockdown resulted of healing of me as Mother Earth. With you all indoors due to the coronavirus, I was celebrating and healing, while you all humans all over the world hunger down in the safety of your home. Me and my elements were stretching our legs in the absence of you all humans. Empty streets, silent cities, closed shops and factories, and quiet sky are now dominated by animals and birds all over the world. It's their world too, and I'm quite happy to see all my creatures enjoying their lives too. Corona has repaired me. Corona has healed me.
Well, today we are celebrating World Population Day. You all must have understood what Mother Earth was trying to convey a message to us. Yes, this is the day where we must pledge to control our population to ensure the survival of the environment instead of controlling the environment for the benefits of the population. We celebrate World Population Day annually on July 11 every year, which helps to raise awareness of global population issues. World Population Day is mainly celebrated to develop people's awareness on various population issues such as the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, etc. It was inspired by the public interest in 5 billion day on July 11, 1987 as world's population reached approximately 5 billion people on that particular date. This day is significant because it highlights the problems of overpopulation and raises awareness about the effects of overpopulation on the environment. As you all know, human population plays a major role in this climate change. Higher numbers of people result in greater usage of natural resources. It also talks about the health problems faced by pregnant women and the importance of family planning, gender equality, poverty, maternal health, and human rights. The event was first suggested by Dr. K.C. Zakaria. Another important aspect of World Population Day is to teach the public about sustainable development. It is an effective way for us to decrease the threat we are facing from the increased number of population. We should ensure that our future generation can also enjoy the same privileges and resources we are able to enjoy at the moment. The government of every country should come up with effective policies to control the growing population. If not controlled immediately, the ever-increasing world population will cause unbearable adverse situations. Every year, UN decides themes for World Population Day, which is promoted all over the world throughout the year to create awareness among the people. So let's have a look on different themes for the different years.
दिल की परतें खोल रहा हूँ, दिल की परतें खोल रहा हूँ। भारतवासियों, भारतवासियों, मैं भारत बोल रहा हूँ, मैं भारत बोल रहा हूँ, मैं भारत
संसाधन मैं कैसे तुम्हें समझाऊं, इस बढ़ती आबादी का मैं कैसे बोझ उठाऊं। हर कदम पे तुमने केवल दोहन ही मेरा किया है, वन खनिज संपदा न दिया। मेरा सर्वस्व लिया है, मेरा सर्वस्व लिया है, मेरा सर्वस्व लिया